Hello, Disney Car Toys here, and today I'm showing you two brand new packages of Cars Micro Drifters. The first package includes Funny Car Mater, Holly Shiftwell, and Finn McMissile. The next Micro Drifters package comes with Sarge, Ramon, and Flo. Okay, let's now open up the packages. I bought these Micro Drifters at my local Target 2 days ago, so you might be able to try your Target or Walmart and they might have them. Let's get Flo out first. And the other two, here's Sarge, and there's Ramon. Here's a better look at the Micro Drifter Sarge, Ramon, and Flo. And now I'm going to open up probably my most favorite Micro Drifter package of the year. And this one has the Funny Car Mater Micro Drifter in it, which I feel like I've been waiting for a long time. Here's a better look at these tiny Holly Shiftwell, Funny Car Mater, and Finn McMissile cars. With these two new packages of Micro Drifters, Sarge, Holly, Finn, and Ramon have all been released before, where Funny Car Mater and Flo are the only brand new ones. Hey Holly, can you turn me back into a regular Mater? Uh-oh, Holly, you made me a little too big. And of course, the best thing about Micro Drifters is watching them race down a track. Woohoo! Whee! Here's a better look at my favorite Micro Drifter in this set, Funny Car Mater. You can see the quad side pipes, and then the flames on the side also say Tow Mater. He's painted yellow, he's got a large spoiler, and an exposed engine.
Me want cookie, please.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.